From the Bob Mills Weather Center, Oklahoma weather expert Stacia Knight.
We're still watching a few isolated showers southeast of Tulsa. Most of our heaviest rains have occurred in parts of southern Haskell County, Latimer, and LaFleur. But one new shower has developed in northern Okmulgee County that is going to be right on top of the banner here, and that is moving up to the northeast. It could clip the far southeastern side of Tulsa County. So a little bit of rain may fall for a few folks down on the southeast sides of Tulsa County. And temperatures right now are obviously hot. I mean, 90s, triple digits still. Tomorrow morning, we're going to be in the 70s. We'll start at 79 here in the metro, low to mid 70s outside of Tulsa. Winds will be light. It'll be a quiet start to the day. And for kiddos going back to school tomorrow, it's the first day at Bixby, Tahlequah, Stidham, and Blue Jacket. Drop off 79 to 80 degrees. And then at the pickup line, it's going to be about 105. There are heat advisories in place for tomorrow. We had heat advisories earlier today. We have more tomorrow because temperatures obviously topping out in the triple digits, but the heat index will be a little worse. 101 tomorrow in Bartlesville, 104 in McAllister. So 100 up to 105 tomorrow. And late in the afternoon, we'll start to have some showers and storms fire up north of Tulsa. And then that zone will shift a little farther south as we go into our Tuesday evening. We'll have a storm system come through, surface low, cool front, and the chance for a few strong to potentially severe storms, especially northeast of Tulsa. Now the risks for tomorrow, it is a very slight chance of storms making it to severe criteria, but it would be for damaging wind potential here. And right now the highest threat of that happening would be up to the north and northeast of Tulsa. And this is mostly for our Tuesday evening into early Tuesday night. But a second round of rain and storms will be possible Wednesday morning as you're trying to get out the door to work and to school. The best possibility for rain and storms Wednesday morning will be from Tulsa down to about I-40. Could even have some heavier rain potential there for some of us. Wednesday afternoon, the big change, that cool front that comes through tomorrow evening. It's going to bring in some cooler temperatures, and on Wednesday, with clouds around, temperatures will only be able to top out in the 80s. That's a big difference. We're going from triple digits today and tomorrow to the 80s Wednesday afternoon. 81 in Bartlesville, 82 in the metro. Mid to upper 80s down in southeast Oklahoma. Just a quick timeline for us. Now tomorrow afternoon, remember most of the storms will be north of the metro, and we'll even keep a slight chance into tomorrow night. But for Tulsa, the best chance will actually be Wednesday morning and then winding down by Wednesday about mid-morning, early afternoon. The weather pattern is turning unsettled. High pressure will not be in control of our weather anymore. In fact, we're going to have a few rain chances with several storm systems coming across the U.S. So there's a lot happening again that's very what we call unsettled. There's going to be lots of rounds of little ripples coming through the atmosphere, bringing us some energy, also the potential of some moisture, and we'll have these systems that kind of swing through every once in a while. It's going to be a cooler pattern and a wetter pattern, which is great because we still need the rain. Right now across the state of Oklahoma, we have a severe to extreme drought. It's across the entire state at this point. So that weather pattern changing up things across the U.S. means cooler than normal temperatures for that last full week of August. It pretty much starts on Wednesday and continues through almost the end of August. Now there could be still some hot days included in this, but this is the overall general pattern here. Large trough on the eastern side of the country and a lot of little ripples coming through the jet stream, which will be near us, and we'll be thankful for that with more rain chances on the way. But remember, we could have some storms that do pull severe tomorrow evening for damaging winds, so make sure you're paying attention. Over the next 10 days, we could see some areas picking up over 2 inches of rain. That's cumulative, though, over the next 10 days. Our opportunity tomorrow and into Wednesday morning, that may only produce about an inch. Tomorrow, 79 at 6 a.m., 100 at the noon hour, 3 o'clock up to 105. A lot easier in terms of the heat for Wednesday and Thursday with highs in the 80s. It gets seasonably hot for a couple days, Friday and Saturday, but more rain chances and cooler